Today I want to show you a glass kettle. This is from Trend Glass. The tea tasted better in glass, so that's why I like glass as compared to stainless steel. This is a Rocklin glass. So see if we get to the surface. I think because I have a ceramic kettle, and I almost do not see ceramic inside. The kettle that is the inside is ceramic. Show you the stainless steel kettle. Just here I have a glass. So I think there is something on stainless steel kettles that makes the lime scale stick to the surface. Here, here. And that's the maximum level we can use. And this is the code. So far so good. Now let's see if it's gonna boil. How is it gonna boil? We have here 1.75 capacity. watts. If you notice that lime scale depositing on the surface, okay, the water has boiled. Let's just make our tea. And if you can see, there are some scales. It is easy to wipe them off. I can even rinse it very quickly. See, all gone.